In today's lesson, we are going to be drawing a mystery coordinate photo. So I'm going to get you started and then I want you to give it a try. One thing to keep in mind when you do these mystery photos, it's best to do them in pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can fix it and um, get it correct. Because if you make one mistake, unfortunately, it kind of ruins the whole photo. So what you're going to see first is you have your coordinate grid up at the top. Remember that the x coordinate is the one that runs horizontal and the y coordinate is the one that runs vertical. So when we're doing these coordinates, keep in mind that the very first one we go over and the second one we go up because we're only working in the first quadrant today. Now, at the bottom of this page, you will notice that there are different sets of directions, and there's lines between them. We have start, and at the end, we have stop. Each of these are a different portion of the drawing. So that way you kind of get to see how the shape takes form. So we're going to start with the very first set. We're going to start with 2, 2. So that means we are going over 2 and up 2. And we're going to put a dot there. I like to then kind of cross off that point so I know and can keep track of where I am. The very next one is 4, 3. So we go over to 4 and we go up 3 and we make a point. Now here's the trick. Connect your dots as you go. Make sure you use a straight edge of some sort. I unfortunately don't have a straight edge capability right now during this video, so mine's not going to look as great as I hope yours can. Please make sure you use a straight edge. And we cross it off. Our next point is 4, 7. So we go over 4 and we go up to 7. And we connect our points. Our next one is 6, 8. So we go over 6 and we go up to 8. And we connect our dots. And we're going to keep going until we get to the stop. If you notice right here, we started at 2, 2 and we're going to stop at 2, 2. So if we continue this shape, we should end right back where we started in this set of lines. And then we're going to move on to the next set. When we move on to the next set, we are not connecting the lines from 2, 2 to 10, 3. That is one that we do not connect. So you're going to have separate shapes within your drawing. I want you to continue this to see what it turns out as. This is an example of what yours will sort of look like. This is not the one you're making. So this is going to turn out different, but you can tell they connected all their dots and they had different shapes. So you have this person up here, you have this swimmer person here, and then you have the shark. And if we looked at all the lines on this drawing, you will see how they have where you connect parts, and then it says line ends, and then we start again. Line ends, we start again. So during each of these line ends, we are not connecting our dots. So that way you have these different shapes. If you're looking for a challenge, I have added in this folder and tomorrow's folder more difficult mystery photo challenges, and that can be your assignment for Friday. Good luck.